What's up, guys? We are back with a new update on Drunken Bar Fight. As I can see, that's new. Apparently there's a new area in this new update. Oh no. Oh no. What? Why don't we light another one? Wasn't me. I don't know what you're talking about. Sure. Oh, that didn't work. Oh yeah, but that worked. That's just logic. Perfect logic. How you stutter that?
Better get your wallet out because whoever loses this fight pays my phone bill. You don't know true
What
pain
phone,
until
buddy?
You're hurting my
bored.
bedbug scars. If you would just let me use your credit card when I won, it wouldn't have to come to this. This might be my first fight, but if you're trying to kill me, you're gonna have to do vaguely better than that, bud. Better get your wallet out because you hit me just like my father did when I stopped paying him rent.
There it is.
You don't know true pain until you want a mild depressed guy like myself. I can feel my mind depression kicking in full force. I was kind of hoping.
What is that? There's a nerve.
That hurt way more than I thought. You hit me just like my father did when I stopped paying him rent. I can feel my mild depression kicking in full force.
How you stare at
Sorry, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna destroy your vocal cords! You better clean up this brings me. Oh, I can hear it. I'm gonna destroy you. You better clean up. This brings me back. I just. I'm gonna. You better clean up after I make you bleed everywhere. This brings. I can hear your punches were so loud. My ears are bleeding. I just know you told my boss I don't actually do my job.
No,
wow, okay, so we both got. I'm gonna destroy your vocal cords so I can finally get some peace and quiet. You better clean up after I make you bleed. This brings me back to when I was a janitor in prison.
Haha, you're stuck in the wall.
God, the janitors aren't tough. I can hear you growing. I just know you told my boss.
The ball man. Mr. Clean. Mr. Clean scares me.
I'm gonna destroy your vocal cords so I can finally get some peace and quiet. You better clean up after I make you bleed everywhere. Sign up to shoot more out of my mouth. What? That's dumb.
This is what I've been wanting to do for a long time, buddy. This is what you should be doing to me. Drop the hand. Drop that. Stop kicking me. No one will get hurt. You punch me one more time, nobody gets hurt. Oh.
It's true that cops have separate rights from everybody else, right?
You owe me
I'm
money.
not the one who's soon to be grounded, so yes. My God, that smells like jockstrap. The last watchman still right.
Shut out, buddy. Where's my money? Where's my money? Where's my money?
The last watchman still right. I reckon I taste colors up. Gave me a
Where's my money?
Anyone else smell burnt toast? Wait, I have a grandson?
Wait, hold on, I want it. I hit. Dad,
all be illegal. Now someone give me a triple shot of whiskey.
Everyone put their hands on the ground. It's a robbery.
I know that smell. That was my razor. You're the summer. My house on fire last night too. Dust on a shower.
What does this do? Let's see.
Where was the neighborhood watch when my grandfather child?
Nah,
well,
I know I'm out of
Yeah, I killed Neighborhood Watch.
Mom shot me.
You're an uncomfortable.
No.
I'm going to do something that involves spending money on a train that'll collect dust.
You throw a card at
Nah,
someone.
I know I'm an airplane guy when I say
Eh.
yikes. No thanks. You're an uncomfortable person, and I can tell you don't like trains. No. I have better things to do with my time. I think
Queen space.
I'm the little engine that will.
4.
This is way better than leaving every child behind.
If anyone wants to hang out on Skype later, let me know. The night just cleared
It was
up.
a warning shot.
This is what it'll take to make our marriage work. Fine, I guess.
Hi. Is that like a wig or something, Baldy? Was that like a wig or something, Baldy?
And here, my therapist said there was no hope for me.
Was that like a wig? No, don't put the wig on now. No, you just got your leg swiped out by a shotgun. Embarrassing.
I need some gay party drugs to get my serotonin back up to a stable condition.
Snipe the shit out of her.
Don't make me throw up that juicy seafood I just ate. Is that my ex? I don't care. What better see me with all the young people?
Even Spike Spiegel knew when to say no.
I'm done. Stay down. I said, down. Down, boy. Down, boy.
My
Down,
son married my ex-girlfriend.
Down. Down, boy. Down.
This is why I'm divorced. I can't go hard
Stay
enough.
down, boy.
It all goes
Down, boy. Down. 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 Oh. What the? Where the hell? Oh yeah, this is my secret back room. I got a funny ass idea. Hold on. I gotta try to grab this. Not caressing. God damn.
As foul as when a woman gets her monthly sin visit. I'm sorry, but since when is it breaking the law to follow a girl around for a few hours? Oh my god, I haven't seen this much sweat since Otacon 2004! I'd be a fool to turn down such a try men now.
That felt so nice to do.
All aboard! The chunk of F you! Thomas the tank engine ain't got shit on me. I never run out of steam, just like the New York Central Hudson.
Looks like there's about to be a new area. Take shotgun.
Fortunately for you, I'm all fueled up and ready to blast off!
Pick it up. Your fault. Your fault. No, I don't think you're done. I don't think you're done. I don't think you're safe.
My voice is not!
But you're safe? Nah. You thought you were safe, right?
I'm all fueled up and ready to blast
For you, I'm all fueled up, ready to blast off.
Oh my God, you run fast. Back, boy, back.
Superpowers might come in handy.
I just do like this rough! This is why I should have been a cop! My voice is not high-pitched! But you all fueled up and ready to blast off! Shut up, Mom! I just do like this rough!
Oh, don't worry, brother. I got my gun on me.
I've already bought this once tonight, brother. I'm good.
Oh, what? That's what I'm talking about!
This is just like the time I parted with Bone Thugs and Harmony. Don't threaten me with a good time.
It's what I said to your mom. Check it.
New World Order is here! I learned this move! Six Emperor Tyrannus!
6, 7, said.
Don't tread on me!
No, I don't want to pull out my
You're dumb
phone.
enough! The New World Order stepped all over me!
This is just like when I had CJ.
I don't think you're not going down just because you're a woman. Mink.
Wait.
Equal rights, equal fights, baby. Let's go.
I pay for exposing the game.
Let me pray about
Taco's little head off.
Ah! I should have known you were... He stepped all over me. Don't tread on me!
Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
The New World Order is here!
Fun feels like they fucked up, and now I do.
No, I can see you also just found out about White Guild.
Oh, Charlie, be good, sir. Absolutely. Just like the children of my job.
Stay down.
I'm just gonna come out and say it that being forced to raise someone else's kids is very off-brand.
Right there. Taco, you're stuck. You're for church. You forget movie. Actually, no, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, mine. Thirsty. Whoop. Bam!
Sir, let me Google how
Whoop,
to...
bop.
Sir, please do not
Whoop,
look at me like I'm the
bam.
one that broke your heart.
Bam! Whoop. Bop.
Sir, please don't punch me in the stomach. I just speed drank a lot of milk for some reason.
Dumbass. Bing.
Have you considered the possibility? Let me punch you like... Hold on, sir, you're undoing all the years of therapy I've undergone. Sir, please do.
Shut up! Shut up.
Why does everyone want to hit my face everywhere I go? Maybe I shouldn't have turned down that engineering job at Boeing.
No, come with me.
Sir, has anyone ever
Sir.
told you that you have... Good Lord, do you work out as much as the kids I watch? Sir, you're undoing all the years of therapy I've undergone. I just know... Why does everyone want to hit me? Maybe I shouldn't have turned down that engineering... Good Lord, do you work out as much as the kids I watch? Sir, has anyone ever told you that you have no social cues?
Buddy.
I bought this top at Chanel. Doesn't it look great? It smells like one of my son's open sores.
Hey, Fatso.
Hey, guess what? Now totally clips the hardest and start playing in your head.
nice. I'm fed up with everyone telling my girlfriend she could do better. Wow.
Dumbass.
Now totally clips to the heart is now stuck playing in your head.
I have the lead.
Dark crossfire.
Next, baby. I'm so used to saying no to
Chalk
my
this one up as another piece of my dignity gone forever.
Along with you. Oh, that could have been such a good little thing.
My doctor said, no, I can't wait to work up a nice sweat in these
Say so! I need you, say so! Looking at a guy.
Do you think I'm spiraling into insanity? That's it! My hands are touching your face! And the thing, Masad wanted me to...
Physical assault is so on brand for me right now. I was right in the middle of having an out-of-body experience, and you ruined it!
I'm gonna have to step out of character and say no. What? Can a dog say yes to a treat every now and then?
Oh,
ironically, I was
there he
picked
is.
up.
Apparently his suit was bulletproof.
Hey, come on, man, what's...
Head up. Trip, yo dumbass. Bink. 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 Slippery doo-dah. Slippery day. I'm gonna sell this on the internet. Open the door. Open the door. Open.
Good! The world
What
needs
the
more
hell?
death and destruction! Did you seriously just do what I think?
That shit might fly in China, but not here!
Alright, I'm gonna attempt this shit. One more time. Bye-bye.
Let me pray about this really quick.
Wow, that's what that feels like?
It's no fun without a fight! Scream, Piggy, scream! The others tried to fight me too.
3 little
I wanna
piggies.
kill- It's
Piggy
no
1.
fun without a fight!
3 little
ahead and run.
piggies.
They all
Piggy
tried
2. 3 little piggies.
Scream, Piggy,
Piggy
scream.
3.
Spiraling into insanity? Trust me, I'm well versed.
So we call 3
The
little
others tried
piggies.
to fight me too.
Don't threaten me with a good time.
I want to kill everyone.
That is a
Satan's
nice
good.
Chinese buffet
Satan's
fish
our
aquarium
pal.
smell to it. I'll give it that.
Can I go in here? I don't think I can.
Oh, Christ above, what the...
I need to explain to my social worker why I got the shit kicked out of me.
This response of like, ah!
If this place is not updated, this is gonna be the end of the video, and I'm being serious. Am I a vampire? Is that why I do no damage to humans? Mere mortals? Well, Alright.
It smells like
Before we
one
go.
of my sons.
Fuck you. Smoke a cigarette on my butt. Let's go. That will be the end of the video. See you guys later. Goodbye.